Assalamualaikum. I am Jameel Jaz. I read in grade 7. Today is our activity. All my class fellows make models about different of the class stars.
My name is Manika. I am student of class 7.
My name is Ishal Fatma. We read grade 7. Today me and my fellow doing activity about geometry.
As we all know, math is the branch of science and geometry is very important branch of mathematics. Today we are doing model activity about geometry.
Geometry is the branch of mathematics which study with points of lines, surfaces, solid.
Parts of geometry are acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, right angle.
All of these angles and with other parts of geometry are very important for measurement and making angles.
Thank you.
My name is Mahamnoor. I read class 7.
I am Navita Ramzan. I am also student of grade 7.
Today, me and my fellows doing a model activity about renewable source. The name of the source are wind, water, and solar energy.
The first source is water. As we all know, water is important for all the living things present on the earth. We produce electricity by water.
Wind and solar panel are also renewable source of energy.
I am Zohara Singh.
My name is Mahmoud Asif.
Today is our activity day and we are giving presentation about animal cell.
A cell is defined as a structure as well as the functional unit of the living organism.
Cell membrane is consists nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosome and nucleus.
Nucleus is the most important cell organ in animal cell. It is located almost in the center of the cell.
Cell membrane. In animal cell, the outermost covering of the cell, is called cell membrane or plasma membrane. It consists of proteins, lipids, etc.
Mitochondria are rod-shaped and double membranes present in the cytoplasm of the cell. The mitochondria has a figure-like structure.
Cytoplasm. The control of the cell is covered by a cell membrane. Is called cytoplasm. It consists of water, salt, and protein, etc. Thank you.
I am Rimsa Osman.
My name is Sana.
Today is our activity day and we are doing model activity about solar system.
The sun is center part of solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The name are planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune.
The closest planet to the sun is Mars. On the other hand, Neptune is far away from the sun. All the planets and other heavenly bodies revolve around the sun.
So we can say that solar system and central very important part of universal. The working of model shows very important. The working of model shows and travel of planets around the sun. With Hadia Imran, we read in class 7th.
My name is Mirazim.
My name is Miruzhan.
In present time, English has become an international language and its importance is increasing day by day. Today is our activity day. We are giving presentation about figure of speech. The name of figure of speech are simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole and onomatopoeia.
Simile, the figures in which two alike are compared what is like or as for example, the car looks like cotton bar. Metaphor, a metaphor is in which two alike think either left or action to explain that to real an idea For example, giving a fireman.
Personification is a potentiality device in which non-living things or animals are given human traits. For example, the tree danced in livid.
Hyperbole and onomatopoeia are also important of figure of speech. Thank you.